I wanted to go over the torque wrenches. The torque wrench was definitely bad. I bought a digital torque meter to show you how bad it was. Now both my 3/8 and my 1/4 inch I have set to 10 foot-pounds at the moment. Now this is an inch pound, so I set it to 120. So this is the one that snapped the bolt. And there you go. It went at 12 foot-pounds instead of 10. So I'm like 20% tighter than it should have been. Now for the 3/8, I tried to use the 3/8. It just felt really wonky. That didn't feel right at all. Hold on. Oh no, right here, right here. It's snapping right here. It's really not made to go this low. So it's actually going 4.8. But the snap is so mild at that low. So we're going to set it up to 30 foot-pounds. Ignore the beeps. Okay, at 30 foot-pounds, it's registering 16. So maybe not buy the cheap torque wrenches from Harbor Freight if this is also to be counted as accurate.